Hi, everyone. I have to say that the most important thing I have learned teaching online is to make sure that you have a presence. Some of the things that I do to make sure that I have, I guess, more of a real presence so students can connect with me is I do weekly video announcements using screencast. I go over all of the big ideas from their assignments, anything that looks like people in general struggled with and needed an explanation in the previous week's work, and then I do a quick overview the expectations for the following week. And there's one other thing that I do is I make sure my classes are relatively small, so I know that not everybody is able to do this. I make sure that I respond to every student individually each week in the discussion, even if it's just a short note. And I tend to do it in, I guess you could consider sort of a Socratic way, where I tend to respond and ask some kind of question related to whatever their post is to get them thinking a little bit more deeply about whatever the discussion topic is that week. Those are my suggestions. Hope they're helpful. Take care.